Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Patriots, we still have a lot of work to do. We still have a long way to go. Look at this Home Affairs official fighting for foreigners who are running a shop without permits. And she is shamelessly fighting for them in public. People who are running a shop without a permit. And as they are running a shop without a permit, it means they don't have papers even themselves. But a Home Affairs official is here. Instead of doing her job, she is defending them, fighting for them in public. Let's watch the video.
So manje basebenzisana nathi ngoba lento yokushekana nalama Islam ababesebenza. Is this a restaurant or it's a chemist or it's a tuck shop? It's a tuck shop. But it's smelling cooking oil here. You sell magwinya. In tuck shop there's a chemist that must sell magwinya. Eh? You must not sell magwinya here. Tuck shop is selling cold drink, they sell things.
What were you saying?
Abasebenzi baleka.
Inside the shop?
Malini. Cela usondele ngapha phose. Cela usondele ngapha. Seyibuza le ndoda la uthi license inayo la ukuthengisa. Ithi ayinayo license. Si njengoba ingana license ithengisa kanjani ingana license? Ngibuza yona. Ithi yathengisa isitoro esabhuti wakhe. It's okay. We are forced. They are selling it by force. We are doing it by force to sell here. Because there's farmers lapha kunemithi lapha na. Le mithi esingayazi ukuthi authorize obani. Into zengane leziyana. Amaphilisi imithi okwenza amakhanda. Lento ezinama allergies zonke lezi zinto. Lento ezithengiswa efarmers. Unuka amagwinya la. Njengoba kunuka amagwinya restaurant ethengisa into ezinamafutha. So ziningi izinto ezodliwa abantu bakithi abangazazi. Bese siyamshiya noma ube refugee la akakwazi ube refugee eSouth Africa. You must be a refugee to the next country. Not in South Africa. You can't run from Ethiopia to land in South Africa. West
No, umuntu uyayikhethela ukuthi ufuna ukuyaphi. Uma ngabe kuliwe la South Africa akuyoni force ukuthi angiye eMozambique ngoba iseduzane. Kuya ngami ukuthi ngifila ngicomfortable ukuyaphi. Why choose la yena ukuza la? Kuya ngawe ukuthi wena mangabe kuthiwa nje kuyabalekwa la ngoba nathi iLesotho seduze ngeke nithi angiye eLesotho. Ngizwa la ngithanda khona noma ngaye eNigeria la ngizizwa khona ukuthi ngifuna ukuya khona. Awukho umngcele ukuthi uma uzobhaca fanele uye kamakhelwane.
Akwaliwe lo ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ubhaca nokuvula looking ethi indlela seyiqhubeka ngakhona
Even if law isho njalo ke, even if that's what the law says, is it necessary for her to fight with her colleague to defend foreigners who are running a shop illegally? Was it even necessary for her to argue with a colleague in front of these foreigners? They are in this shop to do the inspection. They've not done that yet. And this other guy has discovered ukuthi these people are running this shop without a permit. And Yena is defending these people even in front of them. So how are we expecting these foreigners to respect the laws of this country if our officials are behaving like this in front of them? Why is she even angry, changing her tone to her colleague? Because this guy was addressing this issue correctly. Why is she interfering? This brown envelope thing is turning our country upside down.
operation yethu angazi bona mhlambe kuzosiphoqa ukuthi mhlambe siyimiso kwamanje.
Yeah, nami ngibona kanjalo ngoba manje
sizokwazi ukuthi mhlambe for the future sikwazi ukuthi siye with a full force sazi ukuthi who's doing what when and how ngoba kuya ngathi sekuyi-interfere.
right your full name.
Siyaxolisa ukuinterfere but malini. Siyaxolisa ukuinterfere malini.
Athendwa okunye singasa-athendi lento kuyadipha.
Yeah, lento engibonayo ngazi ukuthi sesiqobisana sodwa thina sisebenza manje. Sesiphendula nasodwa thina ayisekho right.
Ngicela ukuthi siyivaleni then sizophinde sihlele communicate kahle.
Cela ningashiyi ngaphandle malini.
Yeah.
Cela ningashiyi ngaphandle. Mani ihlela nesibize nathi. Yithi sihlala nalabantu.
Sizoyihlela. Ake ngisho njalo ukuthi sizoyihlela sikhulumise nabaphathi. I think information izokusikhasikhetheleka ngendlela e-right. Because njengamanje ngiyabona ukuthi sigcina singasasebenzile successfully.
Siyaxolisa nje ukudisturba malini ukuthi siconcerned nathi. Kodwa siyakuzwa ukushona.
So i-ordinary community member iyona eyazi umthetho more than ama-Home Affairs officials. Uyena obafundisa umthetho. Abazi lutho ngomthetho, abazi lutho ngomsebenzi wabo. It's now that they are planning to go back and learn and then come back to this shop. They are getting confused inside the shop because this community member said something they don't know anything about. Yo guys, our country is in trouble. Our country is in serious trouble.
Safira madini.
Athendwa okunye singasa-athendi lento kuyadinga.
Ya nento engiyibonayo ngazi ukuthi
Yabo.
sesiqobusana sodwa thina sisebenza manje. Sesiphendula nasodwa thina ayisekho right.
Ngicela ukuthi siyivaleni then sizophinde sihlele si-communicate kahle.
Cela ningasishiyi ngaphandle malini.
Yeah.
Cela ningasishiyi ngaphandle. Mani ihlela nisibize nathi. Yithi esihlala nalabantu.
Sizoyihlela. Ake ngisho njalo ngithi sizoyihlela sikhulumise nabaphathi. I think information ezobe sikhasikheteka ngendlela e-right. Because njengamanje ngiyabona ukuthi sigcina singasasebenzile successfully.
Siyaxolisa nje ukudisturba malini ukuthi siconcerned nathi. Kodwa siyakuzwa ukushona.
Laba banenkinga nokuthi bala eSouth Africa khona ama-South Africans alwela ukuthi kuhamba amakwelekwele alwela eSouth Africa nawo ababula mekhona ngakini mtshontsho ngenhlamvu umdubulafe ngeke siye ndawo phela ngeke sithi baningi sifuna into eyodwa uhluke wedwa eceleni ifa ufele lokho nakudala umuntu mengezwe ushakwa empokota ngomkhonto enza isibonelo ukuthi nofisa ukugoloza azi ukuthi umkhonto uyeza abantu vele mawufuna ukufaka into eright emqondweni wabo emakhanda abo einhlisweni zabo nasemoyeni wabo uyifaka ngayo indluzula ongawuza umbono wakho ongawuboni kwaba yimillion bebe bawu 800,000 bewubona umbono wakho babulale labo 200,000 mabengezwe. That's how it works. Vele abantu abezo so hlezi sinembona sifani nizofaniswa ngenkani ke.
So if our officials bengawazi umsebenzi ngalendlela, how sure are they ukuthi le mithi ethengisa kule pharmacy are not fake? And uyababona ukuthi they are confused. That is why now belwa ne-community. And even if you are not an inspector, you don't need to be told that this shop is not complying. And even if you are not an inspector, you could see that this shop is not complying. How can a shop have pharmacy, have a restaurant, have people queuing to consult on the other side in one shop? Everything is happening in one shop and there's no license. They are confessing ukuthi they don't have a license to run this shop. They don't have a license to run a pharmacy. They don't have a license to run a supermarket. They don't have a license to run a restaurant because all these things are in one shop, but no license for any of them. Even themselves, they don't have papers to be in this country. And we are not seeing our officials asking them. Only the community is concerned about what is happening in this shop. Our officials, no. Instead, they are defending them. And we are expecting ukuthi South Africa function very well with ama officials anje. And even nje bevula umlomo uyabeza ukuthi abazi lutho ngalento abazoyenza la. They are just there nje. And I don't understand lento yokuthi you can run away from Ethiopia, run down to South Africa, pass all these countries. Bese sitshela ukuthi it's your choice to come to South Africa. I don't understand leyo nto leyo. Ukuthi isho ukuthini eSouth Africa. But anyways, guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye.